morning. Today I, Kumari Simran from BBA 6th Sem Batch 1 is standing here to give a short presentation on the topic relationship marketing. Relationship marketing, it is used to build the relation and develop the relation with the customers. It basically depends on the long term things like customer loyalty. It used to build कि कस्टमर के साथ हम एक रिलेशनशिप, एक ट्रस्टवर्दी रिलेशनशिप बिल्ड करें. रिलेशनशिप मार्केटिंग में हम बेसिकली इस चीज पे फोकस करते हैं. सो the types of relationship marketing. The first one is basic marketing. In basic marketing, we basically focuses on the customer to tell them how to go from. इसमें हम बेसिक मार्केटिंग में बेसिकली हम ये करते हैं कि कस्टमर को हम एक पाथ शो करते हैं, उन्हें डायरेक्शन देते हैं that how they have to follow that path. The next one is reactive marketing. In this, the customer used to get the service and then they used to react with the feedback. The third one is accountable marketing. In accountable marketing, the customer used to give the feedbacks that how we can change and what we need to change in the product. The fourth one is proactive marketing. In proactive marketing, whatever the feedback and whatever the changes the customer has given to the company, they used to work on that और उसके बाद हम अपने प्रोडक्ट को एक नए तरीके से उसे निकालते हैं. And the last one is partnership marketing. Partnership marketing, in this marketing, it is similar to proactive marketing, but in this, two companies used to join together for advertisement, like GoPro and Red Bull. GoPro is they both gets the benefit from this merger. GoPro used to get filming 1800 more than sports series, and Red Bull used to get those videos uploaded on their channel, which will promote each other equally. So the last one is importance of relationship marketing. It is very important. The first one is long-term customer retention. In this, relationship marketing helps the customer to retain and hold the customer for a very long time. The next one is raise sales volume. In this, basically see, if you have built the relation, it will go further again. क्योंकि इसमें क्या होता है ना कि if you have built a relationship with customer, that customer will recommend to another people and that will attract more customers. Marketing and advertising expenses. In this, word of mouth is the best part in advertisement, as it is unpaid and it is very fruitful for the companies. So it helps to reduce, and if you have a good relationship with customer, that will continue for a very big time. The fourth one is provide valuable feedback. In this, if you have a relationship for a long term with customer, which means that you are getting a regular feedback and continuing the feedback, and you can work on that feedbacks. The fifth one is provide sustainability. In this, the small companies and the small business will also get the benefit by sustainability. And the last one is offers competitive edge. If your relationship with customer is good, then whatever the other competitive company will come, it will not take your customers, as you have built a good relationship with your customers. That's all. So basically, what is relationship marketing is that it builds a good relationship with customers, which will help automatically to regain your company profitability with maintaining the customer for a long time. Thank you.